Given this equation, square root of square root of x plus 15 plus square root of square root of x equals 15, then the goal is to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. Now pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. So given this equation, square root of square root of x plus 15 plus square root of x equals 15, then the ultimate goal is to find x, or the value of x that satisfies this equation. Alright, so to answer this question, what we're going to do is to let this expression be equal to a. So let a equal square root of x, and the other expression be equal to b. Therefore, the original equation becomes b plus a equals 15. Now, the good thing in using the variables a and b here is when we square this equation, we get that a squared equals square root of x. And if we square this equation, we have b squared equals square root of x plus 15. Now notice, if we subtract b squared and a squared, we eliminate square root of x. So b squared minus a squared equals 15. Now, let's focus on these two results. And what we're going to do is to use this to find the value of a and b, which is after we find the value of a and b, we get the value of x. This is what we want to find. Now, using the first equation, what we're going to do is to factor this out, because b squared minus a squared, we can use difference of 2 squared to factor this. So we have b plus a multiplied by b minus a equals 15. Now, we know the value of b plus a. This is also given. B plus a is simply equal to 15. So we can replace this with 15. Now, divide both sides by 15. We get that the value of b minus a equals 1. Now, we found third equation involving b and a. Now, using the second and the third equation, what we're going to do is to add these two results, these two equations, and if we do that, we eliminate the variable a. So we get 2b equals 15 plus 1 simply equal to 16. Divide both sides by 2, we get b equals 8. Now we know b equals 8, so 8 minus a equals 1. Technically speaking, a equals 7. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So 7 and 8 is the solution to these two equations. Therefore, a equals 7 and b equals 8. And this corresponds to the value of a and b. But again, we don't care to the value of b and a. We want the value of x. So we will use these two equations to solve for the value of x. Now we know a equals square root of x. So let's replace with this a with square root of x. Now, to solve this, to find the value of x, let's square on both sides. So square root of x equals 7 squared simply equal to 49. And again, square on both sides to solve for the value of x. 49 squared equals 2,401. And this is our answer to this question. And of course, we need to double check if this answer is correct. Now, let's replace all x with 2,401. And as you can see on the checking, we get 15 equals 15. 15 on the right-hand side and 15 on the left-hand side of our equation. Therefore, given this equation, square root of x plus 15 plus square root of x equals 15, then the numerical value of x that satisfies this equation simply equal to 2,401. And as always, we are done.